Students, we will draw the ray diagrams for concave mirror. That 6 ray diagrams are there. So that I divided into 2 videos. First 3 in part 1 and last 3 in part 2. Okay. So you have to draw this in your notebook. Write the heading like this. I will tell you how to do it. Okay. So first one. First we will do for concave mirror. 6 ray diagrams are there for concave mirror. So first one, object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. Yeah, sun can be considered as an object in this example. Okay. So when you keep a concave mirror to focus the sun's rays, all the reflected rays will meet at a point. All the reflected rays will meet at a point, and that point is known as the principal focus. Okay, this point is known as the principal focus. So here you will get a bright small spot of sun, exactly the image of the sun at this point. Okay. At this point you will get the image. That is a bright spot of the sun. It is a small one. Okay. So the object, if the object is at infinity, image will be formed at F. Image will be formed at principal focus. Size of the image will be diminished, means very small, or point size. Size of image will be very small or point size. Nature of the image will be real and inverted. Real image means we will get it on the screen or on a paper. Okay, that is a real image. We can see it on a paper. Okay, the image of the sun or image of a tall building. We can see it on the paper or on a screen. That is a real image. Real image is always inverted one. Suppose if the object is like this, its image will be like this. Inverted one. That is a real image. Okay. So normally in this case we will not draw the image because it is very point size. So we will draw it like this. 2 light rays parallel to the principal axis on both sides. After reflection, it will meet at a point on the principal focus. So I will draw it. Yeah. I am not using pencil and scale to draw the ray diagrams. You have to draw it with pencil and scale, and when you draw the ray diagrams, use sharp pencil. Only one line should be there. Okay. Only one ray of light should be there. No need to overdraw it. Okay. If anything is wrong, just rub it and draw it again. Okay. So first thing, object at infinity. Object at infinity. It's far away from us. That's the meaning of infinity. Okay. The object is far away from us. Now, this one is a concave mirror. So, I am drawing it. Now, I will mark the pole. I will mark the pole. Then I will draw a straight line. In this one I will represent the center of curvature. Exactly at the middle, principal focus. For your easy calculation, you can take this as 2 centimeter. This one also as 2 centimeter. Okay. For your easy drawing. that you can take it as 2 centimeter, PF 2 centimeter, CF 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, the object is at infinity. So, we will draw the object like this. Name the object as A, B. Name the object as A, B. It is at infinity, or instead of naming it like this, I will name it like this. Arrowhead A and this base B, AB. Now, two light rays I will draw. Both are parallel to the principal axis. Both are parallel to the principal axis. Two light rays, both are parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will meet at the principal focus of the mirror. So, this one will bend downwards, this one will bend upwards, changes the direction, not bending, changes the direction. This one will change the direction in this way and this one will move upwards. And it will meet at this point and that point is the focus, or at that point you will get the image. Okay. So, first you will write the heading image formation by concave mirror. Image formation by concave mirror. Then one object at infinity, you will draw the ray diagram. Then after that, position of the image. Position of the image. Position of the image. Where you will get the image? The image you will get it here at F. So, at F. At F you will get the image. Now, nature of the image. Nature of the image means whether the image is inverted or virtual. Here the image is real and inverted one. Real and inverted one. So, real and inverted. Real and inverted. That is the nature of the image. Next one, size of the image. Size of the image. That is point size or diminished. Point size or diminished. So, when you draw it like this in one page. Okay, write the heading like this, draw the diagram, write the nature, size, position and size of the image. Okay, that should be in one page. Okay, take the next page and write the next position of the object. Okay, so the first one. Okay, second one is this one. Object beyond C. Object beyond center of curvature. Object is located beyond center of curvature. Yeah, this one is the center of curvature. So, the object is placed here. Okay. Now, two rays are there. First one, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will pass through the principal focus. That's the first rule. Then, third rule we are using here. A ray of light passing through the center of curvature will retrace the same path. Okay. Second case, object beyond C. Object beyond C. So, concave mirror, pole, then I will mark the center of curvature, principal focus. Now, I will mark the object like this, A, B. Okay. So, I draw the concave mirror, mark the pole, then principal axis. Principal axis means the straight line passing through the or the straight line connecting the pole and the center of curvature. Then F, principal focus. Now, I draw the object beyond the center of curvature. Okay. So, first rule, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will be passing through the principal focus, or after reflection, it will pass through the principal focus is a first rule. Right. Third rule I am using here. Ray of light passing through the center of curvature will retrace the same path. A ray of light passing through the center of curvature will retrace the same path. Now, this is the first reflected ray. This one is the second reflected ray. So, these two reflected rays meet here. Okay. So, at this point, you will get the image. At this point, you will get the image. Name it as A dash B dash. Okay. We will name the image as A dash B dash. Now, check the size of the image with respect to the object. The object is this much height. Image is this much height. Isn't it? The image, height of the image is this much. Height of the object is that much. So, when we compare with the height of the image with that of the object, size is small, or we will say it diminished. Okay. So, size of the image is diminished. Now, where the position of the image, where the image is located, it's between C and F. Position of the image is between C and F. So, we will write it like this, image, position between C and F, between C and F, size diminished, nature real and inverted. Real and inverted. If the two reflected rays are meeting, then you will get real images. Okay. Here the two reflected rays are meeting. So, here you will get a real image. Real image is always inverted. Okay. Now, next, this one, this is the object. Now, in which way the image is inverted one. Now, check the size of the object. This much is the size of the object. The image is this much. So, it is diminished image. Now, third one, the object is at C. The object is at C. This is the object. Okay. This position is at C. the same rule you can use. Any of the 4 rules you can use to construct the ray diagram. But here, third rule we can't use. Since the object is at C, we can't draw a ray of light passing through the center of curvature will retrace the same path. That one we can't use. So, we will do it like this. Third one, object at C. Object at C. So, first I will draw a concave mirror, then center of curvature, principal focus. Now, I will draw the object here, A, B. That is the object. So, first a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through the principal focus. After reflection, it passes through the principal focus. So, this is the first rule. Then we will use the reverse of this rule. Means a ray of light passing through the principal focus. After reflection, it will be parallel to principal axis. A ray of light passing through the principal focus. After reflection, it is parallel to principal axis. So, where these two rays intersect, okay, at that point you will get the image. Here, these two rays intersect at C itself. At C itself, that two reflected rays meet. So, you will get the image at C itself. Image position. Where you will get the image? The image is at C itself. So, at C. Now, what about the size of the image? The size of the image is same as that of the object. Okay. So, size of the image is same size as the object. Same size as the object. Same size as the object. Nature of the image, whether it is real or inverted one, it's real and inverted. Real and inverted. We will name the image as A dash, B dash. Okay. So, 3 cases we did. First one, object is at infinity. Second one, object is beyond center of curvature. Third one, object is at C, means center of curvature. Okay. The rest 3 ray diagrams we will continue in the next video.